Going on, guys? Today's Friday. Starting off a chill vlog. Gonna take the car to work today, but I'm gonna be replacing the turbo hopefully next week with my dad. So yeah, that's the only reason today's gonna be like the last day of driving it. Hopefully I do it next week, but not know next week for sure. I'm gonna start taking off like the piping and all that stuff to install the new turbo. The reason it needs my dad because I mean, if you're an OG subscriber, you remember that when I put this turbo on, somebody needs to be on the top and somebody needs to be on the bottom. One person needs to hold the bolts on top and then one person needs to hold the bolts on the bottom, because if not, it'll spin because there's a nut and a bolt together. So yeah, and then I need like a cut wrench to be able to take some nuts off, because the way the manifold and like turbo sit with the engine is like complicated. So, but you guys will see all of that when we actually do it, hopefully like next week. But yeah, today I'm just gonna take the car to work, get some POV videos, chill, and I'm gonna go to my brother because they actually crashed his car. His car is really messed up in the back. So my dad went ahead and started replacing the rear trailing arm on the right and the lower control arm. So today I'm gonna help him with replacing the lower control arms and the subframe. Yeah, I mean that should be that. He gotta take the car. The insurance still has to look at his car to see what they're gonna do. If they're gonna do it as a total loss or like give him some money for it. It's really bad. The car is really bad. It's savable, but it's really bad. But as you guys know, like, you know, my car was crashed also. And if you really want to make something out of it, you want to fix it, make it into a project, and turn it completely around, then keep it. You know. So he wants to keep it. I guess when we get there later on, I'll show you guys the damage and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna put this camera up here, get some POVs, and have a chill, nice vlog. I just got my run that I gotta do. It's gonna be a really annoying run. I gotta come back and do a couple far ones, which I'm not looking forward to. But yeah, I'm not really in the mood to vlog. I don't know, hopefully I get in the mood. Sometimes, I don't know, man. Sometimes I'll be feeling like bad. I don't be wanting to vlog at all. Like just quit vlogging. A lot that goes into like vlogging and time consuming, and you know, it's a lot, but I keep pushing. But don't get me wrong, there's times where I just want to just say fuck it and just, I don't know, just stop. But I ain't gonna do that though. Yeah, so let me I guess do these runs. Hopefully get a little motivated to vlog. I mean, there's really nothing else that's gonna be going on right now. Whatever, let's just see what the day brings us. Bro, my car was just going crazy and my AFRs were like at 10, 11, and the idle just kept going like up and down, and the car literally died. It did it like a couple times. Bro, what the fuck was that? It's like the weirdest shit ever. The idle just kept going up and down. Like literally was about to die. Like I don't know, but Hondas, you gotta fucking love them, bro. It's good now, I think. I don't know. Thank God this whole shit is coming out soon. Well, I was looking at my back wheel on the right, and I noticed that it was cambered more out, and the bolt, not the bolt that holds the camber kit like onto the chassis. The little nut that screws off and you have to turn it to camber it, that fucking bolt, I guess from the vibration, like came loose. And I guess from the vibration, the camber kit just started pulling out. So yeah, my wheel right now is cambered more out. And when I get to my brother's later, When I get to my brother's later, I'm gonna work on his car, and then you take the wheel off and camber it in, and just tighten it up properly this time. Nah,
not this style, but this color.
My brother's car got hit right here. We're gonna try to fix it though. Damn. We got hit bad, but yeah, I don't know. But anything is fixable, even if we cut it out. But we're gonna make magic happen now. I'm gonna install this. My brother already did the mode controller. See the gold controller on. About to put this one on. It's a regular eBay one. Yeah, but I'm gonna put this on just to get the car rolling and stuff, and then try to figure this situation out right here. Pretty sure I could get fixed. I've seen worse get fixed. Alright, so it's not gonna work because this is a different thread pitch. This is like focus like American kinda ish. We need the Honda thread pitch right here. So about to go to Home Depot and get this thread pitch. This long. Break. Yo, Hula got a crackhead dog. Yeah. Bro. Vlog life. Somebody macked right now.
I'm here. Yo. I'm here.
Whoa, nigga macked. Dip, what you mad? Yo, he just hit a car and dipped? We out, let's go peep that. Yo, nah. What up guys, just wanted to close up the video. I know this video is like literally like all over the place and it's not really like, I don't know, like a purpose of the video. Like a lot of other stuff was supposed to happen, which didn't happen. But I know I said it was gonna be like my last drive of the car, but I don't think I'm gonna do it this week because it looks like we have. I might be going to like this like event, like this car gathering, like JDM car gathering on the 10th, and then we might be going to the track on like the 20th if I could get off work. I'm not taking my car well, I'm taking my car, but I'm not gonna go down the track. For the simple fact is, one, you guys know my motor mount was shot, so I'm about to order my mounts next week. My motor would literally fucking fall out my engine bay if I do a pull on the sticky strip. 2, I need regular stock OEM seatbelts because I have some like regular, you know, harness seatbelts that won't pass. But Julio should be bringing his car. My boy Lulu, Tube, Derek, Sean. Like some crazy cars are gonna be coming out, so I'm trying to get off of work so I could go and do a track day. And but I have the turbo here for my car. I've had this turbo for a while. Actually, you know, I've had this turbo for about like 2 years because the turbo I had on my car was smoking one day, like literally for like all day. Idling, was smoking everything. So shout out to my boy Fluffy. A while ago, he hit me up. He was like, "Y'all got a Rev 9 turbo here. You can have a free." I picked it up. When I was gonna go install it, this thing never like it just stopped smoking. It worked perfectly fine. So I was like, "Fuck." Felt like an idiot, like a douche, you know, taking this. But he was like, you know, just keep it, whatever. So I'm gonna actually put this to use now. Well, not now. Probably like 2 weeks from now. When my dad comes over to help me put this on, like I told you guys, I need somebody on the top and the bottom of the manifold because somebody got to hold the bolt from the top and I got to hold the nut from the bottom. Pulls. to install this. But also want to show you guys another piece that I got. Alright guys, check this out. Check out what your boy just got sent to his house. Put this camera there. Look at this bad boy right here. This thing is huge. So, shout out to Maxpeedingrods. They also sent me this. Same people that sent me out the shout out to Maxpeedingrods. Same people that sent me out the all you catch can. So they sent me out this big boy right here. I'm gonna polish it up. Actually, nah, I was gonna polish it up more, but I'm not. Yeah, so they sent me out this right here. This is basically just a regular, like I was gonna get a Speed Factory one. I was gonna get like a Speed Factory one, and then like 3 of my friends have this same exact universal intercooler, and they made like some power on it. One of my boys is actually made and is making 717 or something on this intercooler, and then my other friend made like 5 something and like 6 something. So this intercooler is fine, it holds up. Hey, sponsor video, got it free, so can't complain. Anything, you know, if it goes wrong, I'll just buy like a Mishimoto one or a Speed Factory, whichever one. Doesn't really matter. But shout out to Maxpeedingrods. Use code Ocasio at checkout. You save yourself 8% on anything you have on on his store. They make, like I told you, got to make intercooler, turbos, traction bars. They're known for connecting rods, so they have connecting rods, upgraded connecting rods for like 500, 600, whatever. Whole bunch of other stuff. You just have to go online to this store and check it out. So shout out to them for hooking it up again. And yeah, maybe I'll look up, see if they have anything else to put towards the build. So I know this video's kind of been like all over the place, but I don't know what I'm gonna title this video. So I was gonna title it, you know, the last drive for the Civic, but that was gonna happen, but now it's not gonna happen because there's some other stuff that's gonna be happening. But check her out, right here, getting her beauty rest. But anyway, thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. There's a whole bunch of you that are watching this video or watch my channel or not are not subscribed. No idea why. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm like 20 subscribers away from 24,000. So I appreciate all you guys who've been watching. I know you guys like the racing videos and stuff like that. So hopefully we'll have more racing videos. If we go to the track, we'll have more track stuff. I would love to take this, but it was on like short notice, and I don't have my mounts yet. I will need, like I said, some stock seat belts, stock reservoir bottle. So a couple things I will need that, you know, I'm not gonna be able to do. So, but I'm definitely gonna drive out there, support the homies, and yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Remember, guys, build to enjoy. Merch coming soon. Again, peace out.